Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make an iPhone cake. Brilliantly easy and absolutely delicious. Start with a basic vanilla sponge cake. We're using a rectangular one and slicing it in half. Remove the top half. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar syrup on top of the bottom half and cover in buttercream frosting. Spread it out evenly and place the top half back on. Next, we're adding 2 more tablespoons of sugar syrup. That keeps the cake nice and moist. And then covering in buttercream frosting, including around the edges. Next, dust a work surface with some corn flour and roll out red-coloured fondant. Use a ruler to measure out a rectangle shape. Cutting with your fondant tool, there. Pop that aside for a minute. Next, we're going to cut out a red square. We're using a ruler to make sure the sides are all equal. Now, using water as glue, stick the square onto the left corner of the rectangle. That's the base for your camera. Next, stick on 3 black fondant circles and add some edible silver paint like so. Next, carefully place a silver-painted fondant apple into the middle of your phone. Gotta have the logo, you know. Right, now that's ready, let's cover our cake in white fondant. We've cut to size 5 pieces, 1 for each edge and 1 on top. Smoothing them down, and then simply pop your iPhone in the middle. And there you have it, a perfect and very tasty iPhone cake. Enjoy!